Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. I'm Prashant and today I'll show you how to make a program using Postman, MySQL and Node.js, or you can say that Express.js, to get the input from to take the input from Postman as well as get the output from the Postman itself. And today I'll show you that how to not take one input more than one time. So today our, you can say that like in the MySQL there is a primary key. So to make sure that the same ID, here I'm using the ID as a primary key. I will not write the primary key in the MySQL, but yes, you can say the kind of thing similar to that. So with the same ID, there is already a ID available. It will show you that it is available, and if it is not showing, and if that particular ID is not available, it will be automatically inserted in the database. So firstly, you have to create a backend language framework. You need a backend application that need to connect to your MySQL data. So this is the Postman app, you can say that. And the common choice for using a backend application is include Node.js with Express. You can use Python with Flask or Django. You can use Java with Spring Boot. So right now, today in this video, I'm using Node.js with Express. You have to then connect with the MySQL also. So this is the MySQL part. Yes, this is the MySQL, and use a MySQL client library to connect to your database. For example, Node.js might use MySQL 2, or you can use SQLize also. And in the last, we will create API endpoint. So we will develop that RESTful API endpoint in our backend applications to handle request, perform database operations such as get, post, put, or delete. So in this video, I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this get. I think yes, yes. Here you can see that I'm going to use get. So I'll show you the firstly coding part. Yes. So this is the app.js file where I have imported Express, uh, defined an applications. Then I have imported two file which is insert and delete, insert and select, and I have used here. And this is the port number I'll be running the program. This is the insert file. From here I will insert the data, basic MySQL importation, importing. Then router, I've used router since multiple files has been used, as well as this is the request.query.i, and I have here connected. This is the insert query, and yes, saved successfully. This is the select file. So this is the main file, and yes, which is the same, and that correct select query roll number dot question mark. So what, why, if there is any same ID, this is the main thing of this particular video. If any particular ID is already been inserted, so you can see that it is showing the available, like here. So in the else part I've used the availability, and if there is no file which is not been existed there, so this is the select file. I will show you all the details. This query will show you all the details of this database, of the table, you can say that. But if that particular ID with, if I'm entering the ID, this is the thing. This is that why I've used I. If any particular ID I enter and if it is not available in the database, it will be ultimately inserted, and you can see that if it is successfully inserted, it will show you saved successfully. This is the thing I am to show you, and I'm running that. Firstly I have to go to cmd file, cmd, yes, cmd, and node.js, node.js. Okay, I will here insert select. I will use here select. I'll select this data, and here is the postman. Where is the post? This is the postman. And I'll copy that link. And I will write the I. If I want to know the person with the detail with the roll with the ID 101. So I'm using select, and this error in this. Sorry for this inconvenience. I have to again run it. Yes. Again entry. Node app.js, and this is the file. Okay. This is the Google. This is the browser. So yeah, this is the browser I'm opening. Again, there is error in this. So I'm not sure whether why it is showing error. I'll have to pause the video. Just a minute, na? Okay, there were some errors, so sorry for this inconvenience. I'm again running that. I think the problem has been fixed. I'm not sure, but yes, I would run again. And this is the file. CMD, and yes, node app.js, and yes, I'll go to here, select option, and it is showing successfully. I have to copy that URL and paste it in the node.js. And I want to know the details of, let's say, with the I101, with the ID 101, and it is showing the availability. And let's say I want to enter, okay, want to enter, just a minute, to enter the XI with the 102. N means name. Name would be Prashant, Vishaka, I would say, right? And rank. So here rank would be the integer. So every year rank 1, and I'll send this data. That is showing saved successfully. I'll show you in the data MySQL part, and it is showing the correct. It has been successfully inserted. So this is the program I have been making. I have been trying to making this, but there is some error, and fortunately I have successfully inserted this program. So thank you so much for your time and consideration. Hope you have a great day. Bye.